Like fashion, sometimes furniture can go out of style, but that doesn't mean you have to go out and buy new pieces of furniture every season. In fact, it's very easy to create a new look for some of your old furniture, and it's called upcycling. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to transform a side table. All you need is your piece of furniture, some paint, a paint tray, paint brushes, a cloth, sandpaper, and a screwdriver. If you have some knobs, take them off before you paint. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do, of course, is clean the piece of furniture off. You don't want any dust on the piece of furniture, obviously because we're applying paint. So just go ahead and do that. Once you have wiped down your piece of furniture, if you have any drawer knobs or attachments that need to come off, you'll want to do those next. I really like to use the attachments and drawer knobs on old furniture. I think it speaks to what the old piece was and what the new piece will become. So once you have taken off any of the attachments that you have, place them to the side. But if you want to put new drawer knobs on or new attachments, go to your local hardware store or secondhand store and pick some up. Okay, so now that we have that, all we need to do now is paint. You can go ahead and use a roller, but if you want to create this weathered beach look, you definitely want to use a nice brush. And what I'm going to do with this piece of furniture once I've painted it is I'm going to take my sandpaper and I'm actually going to go ahead and sand it once I've painted. I don't know about you, but I really love to paint, but it does take time. And definitely take your time when you're upcycling a piece of furniture. I do recommend a couple of applications and just enjoy it. It may just be the perfect afternoon project you're looking for. If your piece of furniture has fine details like this piece, you'll want to use a smaller brush to get into all the nooks and crannies. All right, I've got my 2 coats of paint on. I'm going to go wash up my brushes, and when we come back, when this is dry, I'm going to show you how you're going to weather it with some sandpaper. Our side table is nice and dry, and just putting a coat of paint on this piece really has changed the look of it. But we're going to take it one step further, and we're going to use some sandpaper to weather this side table up. You're going to take your sandpaper, and you're just going to rub on the edges, and where you want to give it that real weathered look. Especially on the detail pieces here, you're basically just taking the sandpaper and scuffing the surface of the paint. A great place to start to create the weathered look is in the corners, because usually when you have a piece of furniture, the corners are the first to go. And doesn't that look great? And all I've done is taken a little bit of sandpaper and started to massage that paint off. So go ahead, be creative, and just weather down the piece. This is just one example of how you can upcycle a piece of furniture, and it really has taken on a whole new look. Liking how this piece is coming along, and there's really no right or wrong way to sand or how much sanding you should do. So once you've achieved your look, stand back, take a look, because you can always revisit it. But I really like what I've done here. It's just a subtle little detail of sandpapering. So I'm going to go ahead and place my knobs back on, and I think that looks pretty good. And there you have it, a DIY project you can accomplish in an afternoon. A beautiful weathered beach looking side table.